To do screen recording in Samsung A14, there is no built-in screen recorder. So instead, we're going to open the Play Store. Then we will search for the AZ screen recorder and install this screen recorder. There is no watermark or ads in the screen recording, but the app does have ads. So now, once it's installed, we're just going to open the screen recording app. So we'll just open this here. And once opened, we need to allow the permissions. So tap on allow, then turn on the appear on top permission, and then head back to return to the application. So we'll tap on OK, and we will allow notifications. So to start a recording, we have this floating bar, and to remove this, just swipe it to the X. So we can tap this bar, or we can go to the notifications and tap here. So just tap the record button to start recording and allow the permissions. Allow the recording or casting, and after the countdown, everything's going to be recorded on your A14. Tap this and tap pause or stop. And if we go back into the recording app and go to your settings, this is where you change the resolution, video quality, and other options. And at the top left, this is a preview of your videos right here.